Hi guys, welcome back to Threads and Flowers. My name is Maryam and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this gorgeous pink balloon garland. Basically, I used a palette of pink colors. I used about 3 shades of pink, including hot pink, blush pink and fuchsia pink. I also used silver and white, all of 10 inches. I ran out of 5 inches balloon as I would usually use, but however I'll be using the 10 inches in place of the 5 inches. I also used a pair of scissors, glue, electric pump and a fishing line. And this is what my palette looks like for my pink balloon garland. For the balloon garland, we're going to start by blowing up the balloons. I did not have a particular order in mind, so I was just mixing up all the different balloons I had. I mixed up with any shade of pink, with white, with silver, with pink, just basically just playing around with it because I just really wanted this to come out in a pastel format. So the electric pump has 2 outlets. So I'm going to be blowing up the balloons in twos. I'm going to be tying them up as such. So I'm basically just ensuring that the 10-inch balloon is not blown to its full size, and that's my way of improvising for my 5-inch balloon that I do not have currently. With my balloons all blown up, I'm going to string them up. I did include that in this video, as I'm going to record another video where I'll be showing you how I string up my balloons. And right now I'm just trying to string up the balloon garland, the metallic stand of my backdrop. I'm going to do that above on the left hand side and below on the right hand side because I just wanted the garland to drop across my backdrop. Now my balloon garland is stringed up and placed on my backdrop. Then I'm going to use my glue to glue the balloons that I still have unstringed to some of the balloons on the balloon garland. I'm going to intertwine 2 pairs of balloons and I'm going to just apply the glue on the parts that I would like to be on the balloon garland. This is going to fill up the space left on the balloon garland and give such an enormous look of the balloon garland at the end of the video. Any glue can be used for this. Some people use hot glue, but I do not have the hot glue at the moment, and that's why I'm using this glue. But for this, you might just have to hold on a bit to the balloon to ensure that it's really stuck before you remove your hand. But it works faster with hot glue if you have that. And that's it. This is the final look of my backdrop, my balloon garland, and my pink pastel all in one. If you like this, consider subscribing to my channel as I create beautiful content as this. Thank you once again. See you in my next video.